Okay guys, we're gonna try open up this, replace this Toyota Sienna door. It's a 2012. I got a replacement door and this one wouldn't even open. So we have to figure out something. We'll go inside and see. Okay, so inside of the door, the opener, electronic opener or actuator was not opening completely. Okay guys, so finally, after a whole lot of struggle, we finally get this thing out. I separated it, then I realized behind here has like a little metal in here. So I pushed it to the other side and it just basically opened this right away, right there. So now that it's open, I get to pull it off, and then hopefully now we can take this thing off. Okay guys, so now the door is open, the old one. We're gonna try to open up the panel right here. Hopefully we can see something there. Okay, try to open up this panel here because it looks like the wires that's gonna go in. It's right somewhere here, so clips pop. Normally these things you gotta be a little quick. Look like we got an unbroken clips. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like they're all there, so good. This one here. Oh, this one. So this would be the passenger side, the right side. This one is for the hose for your windshield washer, and this one looks like your wiring clip. So let's go ahead and pop this out. There we go, one done. And maybe we need a screwdriver to pop this rubber out. Yep, there we go, that one's done. And then now I can go over here. Maybe we can pop the rubber first. Maybe. Looks like a rubber and a plastic together. And this one there. Let me take that up now. Okay. So for this one, looks like this side here has like some little clips that's pressed down with a screwdriver. And that's not a clip, that's just to hold the wiring. So looks like those are our wires, so this will be a little bit gentle. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna check my new door and see how much wires are supposed to be there, and then come back. So on the replacement door, there's 3 clips. So right here, we'll find all 3 of them. Oh yeah, they're all here. And not sure how clear that would be to get them out, but let's see if we can get this wire off. Maybe we should just pop this thing open out. Yeah. Just pop out a screwdriver. Okay. Hopefully we can pull some wire out here and do the connection outside. Everything is this precise in here. Alright, okay. We got one here. There's a clip. You press in right here, press down, and then out. And similar to the other one, same thing. Just press down. This one here, there's another clip. Just press this and pull. We got all 3 of them. And it looks like that's all we need. So we'll just pass these through. That's it. So that's it for now. I think the next thing we're gonna brace up the door, take off these here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Yep, we'll pop these off, and then I'm gonna take the door off right from here because my new door has that, and it looks like about 12 millimeter. I'll confirm that in a bit. And there's 2 bolts here, 2 on this side, and then should just lift right off, put a new one in. All right, let me see. Okay, for this here, the shock for the door, there's just a little clip on there. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it on over here. I already did that one side, so just get a little screwdriver and just put it in there, pop it out, boom, and it's out. That's it. Just like that. So now you'll have to be very careful. What we'll have to do is lift the door up a little bit and just pull that out. I'll make a video with that when I have a helper, because we'll try to take off these bolts on here, some 12 millimeter bolts, 2 here, 2 on there, and this thing is coming off and new door is gonna go on. After the clip is off, we're just gonna lift this up a little bit and just pop it straight out, just like so. Same thing for that side. All right. Now I'm gonna move the camera back a little bit, and then we'll. All right. Just sit this out now. So try to hold a weight, because it's gonna come on my head. One ounce. Just pick it up. Just lift straight up.
I think it's stuck with the vein.
Yeah, okay. See you there. Okay, come down a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. Put a screwdriver on there. A little separation now. Maybe I just give it a little top. Oh, let me see if I get a hammer here. Or a side hammer. Oh, there it is. That's okay. It's gonna come off. Just need a little. Put some sort of a sealant.
Yeah.
No, you can.
Yeah. This one out. Let me see. Okay. Alright. And then, okay, you gotta balance it. You don't want it up hard. You got it? You got it? Straight up. Somewhere there. Just be careful not to lift it. All right, you put it on?
Yeah.
All right. Okay guys, so there's 3 wires. I believe the biggest one, which is this one, goes in right here. Really can't mess it up, it should be just one. And the little one is there. This medium one goes right there, which is that one. And this one goes in there. Goes this way. Okay, 3-pin, that's all it is for wiring. Now we gotta pop this back in. We'll try to do up here, this rubber boots. Plastic. It was much harder to take out. Oh, okay, I see it. There's a little plastic thing to pop in there. No, it's supposed to snap in, no? That's rather loose, and it is hooked. Oh well. Yeah, that's it. The thing is already here. Let me take it back out. I'm just gonna pop it back out. That one is that in here. Oh, there's 4. There's 4 clips on this. Every corner, man. Maybe one behind here too. Let's pop this back. Mine was different. I just pry it one shot. I'm gonna do, I try to put this rubber over. Doesn't look like that one goes on there, eh? I was thinking this goes on there, this just goes over. That's it.
Maybe use glue to stick that rubber piece on there.
Yeah, this just pops right here. Maybe I gotta push this crease in. I gotta check that one back out. This one here. This one for the windshield washer. Okay, that one. See, this is normal. That's what I took off from my old one.
Okay.
So you just pop this back in and it creates a seal, right?
Yeah.
Like that. This one's a little bit odd. Because the old one, if you look at the old one, it came out like the whole thing. It came out one thing. Oh, look, you see? Okay. So maybe it does fit in there. Yeah, so I gotta take this. What it looks like this thing cap it like all the way in. And it's nice and tight. Okay. That looks much better. Yeah, it actually looks like that one now. See it?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna try snap this in together. Okay, that's much better. I mean, it still doesn't feel as tight as the one that came out, but maybe it's different. It looks seals enough. So I guess that's it. Now it's the moment, the big moment, man.
Start.
Try to close it. Bismillah. It's locked. Would it open now? Where's the button? Bismillah. Oh yeah. All right. I think we got it.
That's nice.
Try it back again. All right. But honestly, you know what I want to try? I want to try that washer. See if it's pumping water. And I'm gonna look at the backup camera.
Okay.
Let me just test it out. We'll try the backup camera first. And backup camera is working. Actually, when it hit, the backup camera wasn't working anymore. That's good. We're gonna do the washer for the rear, which I believe is... Yeah, but it's not... Oh, yeah, water's coming, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Yep, I shut it off. We're good. Works now to pop this in. Alright. All my wires stuck in. Everything looks alright. This one goes this way.
ये लो वेस्ट कर दिया तो
Over there.
चल चलेगा
That's gonna look like what? Look at that. Just snap it in. It's perfect.
Nice.
Good. Now it's done. Finished product.